Chill out, there's ladies here.
Check the attitude.
Check the attitude, check the vibe. No, you guys are hard.
Fucking ready?
No, hey, you gotta chill, man.
James, doing all right?
Yeah.
Ian! Come on, man!
Excellent. Fun. Come on, let's go.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the dripping, I fit it up. Hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag and get the bag.
Something to drink?
Probably shouldn't.
Still dealing with that thing?
No. I'm all right. I'm fine, man. Someone has to make sure I show up tomorrow. What is it this time? Flowers?
Tablecloths or some shit. Wedding's not for another couple of months. Don't ask me why she has to get it off.
Whatever, she.
James, she's asking if you want to dance?
No, thank you.
What a gentleman.
Well, I don't know where she's been.
Yes, you went with no thank you. Boy's got me a private room.
Some taste, but it's a little off to brain. Yeah, you better ass up, little. Body beat up, all three clean up. Crazy, since I got her, cream up. We up, hurry up and get your fix. Try to we just don't mix. This is good mix. You better stack your chips. Check that list. I tell you how to get like this. I'ma show you how to cook it, how to cut it, how to get it in the kitchen. Sauce dripping too hot. Lady simmer with a belly. And you know she aged like wine. And I can't chop it up cause I ain't got time. But you got it when it ain't like mine. When it hit me fly, and I put it in the young black real.
Good show,
What?
Martin. That's Toad. Girls. They put on a good show? It's just not right. Girls in there just giving away pieces of themselves and bringing men down to their knees.
What?
You a regular?
Is this your spot? Because I can go somewhere.
No, stay. It's the supporters we have a problem with. Something about it is we watch them make fools of themselves, and despite the warnings, they can't help themselves. Not much more men than beasts anymore. Pathetic, really. One night's all in good fun, but don't make a habit of it. Take this as your sign, friend.
Bad habits bring fragility, boy. Men were men once.
Stage performances don't start till 9. If you want a private dance, back rooms are open, and as always, no touching.
I'm here about a girl.
Any girl, or is there one in particular you're after?
I don't know. She danced a couple nights ago. Tall, dark hair maybe. She was wearing something.
Kind of scary. Dances like a feral cat. Scotty, then. Head on back. I'll bring her in.
What can I do for you?
Hi. I'm James.
Hi, James. I'm Scotty.
I'm actually not here for that. I'm actually here.
I don't do that kind of thing.
No. I see. I was just
We're
trying
done
to.
here. Joan!
I want to learn how to dance.
What? Why?
Thought it might be interesting.
No.
Why? Isn't your whole thing to do what I want?
My whole thing is to dance. And that means I get to do what I want. You can pay me or you can leave.
You ever see something and know that you could do it too?
I'm sorry. I don't think.
Please. Please. I know it's weird, but I don't know where else to go. Please.
Come back tomorrow at 5. Do not make me regret this, James. And bring something skimpy. You're late. Undress and we'll get started.
Just like that?
Just like that. Unless you have a secret talent you're not telling me about. Now strut, 1, 2, 3, roll, grip, lift your hips, latch, and then you can slide down to make it pretty. Yes, James?
Do I have to do it like that?
There's really only one way to do it.
No, like, do I have to do all the wavy stuff? You know, like, I just want to dance. You know, I don't want to be
A what? A stripper? A whore? You seem to be under the delusion that I'm recruiting you to dance for me. Let me assure you I'm not. You asked me to teach you. I do the wavy stuff because it adds artistry. Now shut up and get on the pole. Good, again. Stop. You got good hands, strong. But if you really want this, you need to learn how to respect it. Respect me. We're athletes, same as anyone else. We just wear a different uniform. Let's start you off with something easier, okay?
Been driving that same junk for 30 years. You know who deserves a good car? I deserve something. Hey, where are you off to, huh? Hey, pretty boy.
Can I help? There you go. Very pretty.
Don't call me pretty.
Shh, it's a compliment. Your lines are...
Compliment me however you want. Just lay off all that girly shit.
take 5, all right?
Hey, so when you do that trick again, try squeezing the pole with your leg and then extending your arm, okay?
Yes. And squeeze harder.
Yeah, of course.
I did fucking shot.
Yes. Ooh, yes.
You threw it though? Last night?
Bro, guess who I saw coming out of Eve's tees?
What did you see?
Andy.
Andy?
Andy.
Andy.
Fucking Andy from high school.
Oh,
remember?
shit.
And what happened the other day?
Hey, how'd you come out, man?
James. It's been a while, man. Thought you died or something.
Yeah. I guess I've just been busy.
Oh, have you? You look good, man. You been working out finally? Anyway. Not too hungry, are you?
No, I don't think we would have finished it, honestly.
Oh, man. But you barely ate fucking half of your burger as well.
Want it?
Jesus. Fucking freak.
Hey, what the fuck, man? What was that about?
Why do you care? Is that a friend of yours?
No, just... You can't just say that about people, okay?
Oh my God, stop being so fucking sensitive. It was a joke. It's always fucking something with you, isn't it?
Here.
Jesus, will you just give me a minute?
You can be frustrated, but you can't take it out on me.
Fine. I'm done for the day anyway.
Hey, do me a solid and take a look at the men's room. It's kind of a mess in there. James.
The girls have a showcase at the end of every month. Nothing fancy, just a night to show off and dance for each other. I want you to come.
I'll think about it.
Doesn't have to mean anything unless you let it. Okay. You're okay.
Is that music? I haven't heard from you in a while, man. What you been up to?
Just Been busy.
You doing all right?
Yeah, just fine.
Why don't you come out with us tonight? Have a couple beers. Be fun.
I think I'm okay. Thank you, though.
Is this about what Tim said the other day? You know you're just messing around, right?
No. I've just been tired lately. Thanks for coming by, though.
Yeah, of course. Always. Just take care of yourself.
She's on stage, hon.
Will you let her know that I came by and that I won't be late next time?
I will let her know that you were here, but I won't say anything about you being on time on account of it being a lie. Are you gonna watch the performance?
Not tonight.
One sec then. The girls got you something. Go on then. They're so proud of you, hon.
There you are, big man. You know, me and Toad have been wondering what exactly it is you get up to with those girls.
Just visiting a friend.
Come on, we both know I'm smarter than that. Looks like you finally decided then.
What do you guys want?
Come here, pretty boy. Let me see how tame you are. Holy shit. You're not fucking those girls, you are one. I knew there was something off about you, but I didn't think you were a queer.
Still doing okay?
Nothing better.
James, people have been saying they found clothes. Girls' clothes in your bag.
What are you asking me?
Are you gay? It's fine if
No.
you are. And why?
I don't know.
Well, could you try? We're all worried, you know.
I can't.
Oh, maybe if you explained, I wouldn't have to keep checking up on you all the time.
Is this what this is? Checking in? I already told you I can't explain.
That's what this is. Otherwise, you wouldn't do anything but lay in bed all day.
It's what? Sad? That's because I am fucking sad. I'm sad, and I'm tired, and the only thing that I look forward to is dancing on that pole for some reason.
All right, James, calm down.
Why? So you can go make fun of me and tell your friends? Tell me that I'm less of a man for it? You know what? Don't say anything. Don't call me. Don't check in on me like it's actually gonna do something when we both know you'd rather not be part of any of this because it's not what we do.
I'm here to talk if you want to. I'm sorry, James. I'll see you later, okay?
Are you all right? You don't have to come back if you don't want. It's almost embarrassing, right? How much you care. And you can't explain it either. You just do it, and then you do it again, and just, if you're gonna quit, do it on your own terms, not because someone told you to. You're a good dancer, James.
All right, ladies, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's finish it up. You don't need that. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. All right, finish that mascara. Come on now, let's
roll fast, roll fast. Oh my God.
Let's go. Move, 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 move.
You're late. I'm so proud of you for coming.
Thought it might be interesting.
It's okay if you don't want to.
Thank you.